Hey bro, let me show you the pair I was talking about. Mason made it on to 36. So that's the Mason cock. That's the little 36 hand. And I've been getting nothing but black white flights, blue check white flights, black odd sides, and blue check odd sides. And if you look, that looks like it's going to be an odd side, and so does that. So we'll see. Time for a fresh bowl anyways. It looks like it's kind of dirty in here. I hadn't really cleaned up in a couple of days. Oh, that's my best reefer speed right there, bro. Still got some squeakers on the floor. Actually, it's not as dirty as I thought it would be. But this is the little lavender baldy white flight, and it's got odd side on that end. It'll molt out into an odd side. And if you look at the chest, it's like split right down the middle. That side on the left is probably going to get wider, and the side on the right is probably going to get more of that lavender dun color. And its nest mate right here is a beautiful little tort. Sweet-faced birds. Just love the way these little suckers look. And they're out of that son out of that a 3/4 127 hand. And 477 grandson, which I don't have anymore. There's your old girl. Looks like another dun self and a freaking dun chick. Oh hell yeah, love it. Yeah, it's gonna be a little dun checker. Oh hell yeah, I'm excited about that. This is out of the cock that G raised, and if you look on him, his chest got a line down the middle too. Left side is darker than the right side. What the hell? How about this guy? No, he's alright. But this one for sure. Oh wow. Yo, there's some, that's odd. Maybe some mosaic. Who knows? There's that 950 son that you raised. He's on this little sweet-faced black hand. Let's see what else. There's the old 961 cock. He's 950's full brother, but we'll see if these eggs are fertile. Probably not. That's 950's replacement. She's sitting on a little youngster. She's been a hell of a producer, man. 3/4 Bosch hand, made it to Bosch. That's 2 more 7/8 Bosch babies, so that'll be nice. 1215 grandson. He's on 2 eggs. 478 daughter. Let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah, that's a 478 son. He's on a set of eggs too. They're looking good, man. Looking really good. That's a 355 daughter. She won't drop eggs, man. That's the 71 hen up there. She's a sweetie, man. There's the cock that G raised. He threw some spinners, man. I got one in the kit cranking right now. So we'll see what they do. But I'm probably gonna let them raise this round out and then stop them, and then gut this hole inside and put my nest boxes in, and then throw them back in. But birds are molting really bad, so we'll see. Later.